Hey there, pickle peeps and social grammars for this one. Super duper quick. First off, happy New Year's Eve. Oh my God. But I really wanted to super duper quick come in here and show you guys how to get one of those awesome top 9 posts. So that said, let's turn this thing around. Yeah, you can see I'm using like really high-tech cameras today. This is what your webcam looks like, okay? All right. So let me see, how do I switch this around? Before we switch on over, go right ahead and hit that like button. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel for the Handmade How, and we go over all the time different quick tech tips to make your handmade business run smoother and easier, and I promise most of them look better than this one. All right, so let's get started here. I am on the website top9.co, so you can see top9 right like this .co. I will have it linked in the comments below. And this is just super duper easy to do. You're just gonna come right here and enter your Instagram username. Hang on. Let's go to the 2020. Okay, so they changed it. Let's go to the 2020 version. So I will link this below. This is creatorkit.com/top-9-best-of-2020. Okay? All right, same principle. Let's go ahead and enter in our handle. And for mine, this is going to be Metals and Pieces, which is my jewelry brand, right? And Instagram username. Oh, put in your email. Get top 9. Okay, here we go. Download our mobile app. No, I don't want to. And here we go. Here it is. Okay, so this is my personal top 9 of the year for Metals and Pieces. Oh, cool. You received 4.7 thousand likes in 2020. Neat. Yeah, I have horrible stats. I have 19 likes per post. Did 248 posts this year, though. That's not too bad. Not bad. Alrighty. And let's go ahead. We're going to save and share. You guys are going to ignore the pager you hear in the background. Choose a story or post template. Oh, this is neat. This is all new stuff. They didn't have this last year last time I did one of these. Okay, so I guess you can just go ahead and pick whichever kind of template you like. I don't like these ones. I am also personally not a fan of the Instagram, blue to yellow, just that color view in the back. No thanks. But I can do... Let's take that one, sure. Choose template. Whichever one you guys want, doesn't really matter. All right. And now what do we do? I think now we click download. Yeah, we're in okay. Then you should get the option to download. I don't think I have that because I'm screen recording. So let me pause this and then see what happens. Okay, so nothing popped up for me to download this, and I even tried jumping out. I mean, sometimes screen recorder software will mess that stuff up. But in this case, I just took a screenshot of it, and actually now I'm gonna go check and see if it's sitting in my email. Okay, so it's not sitting anywhere in my email. I checked promotions, I checked spam. So as far as I can tell, right here, you just go ahead and take a screenshot of this and you can work from there. So let me go back and see what happens. Ooh, let's try save and share. So I was able to hit the back button and go back to this right here. So I could technically just take a screenshot of this. Let's choose a different option here. Okay, here's another one. And again, I'm not having anything pop up to download this. If I just go to download, it's going to give me everything else. So I can go ahead and just screenshot this one and move forward from there. So that's that one. What I'm not really liking is I would love one that's in just the regular square format. Let's see here. Like this it's definitely rectangular. That's still, let's see, is there one of these that's a bit more square? Not really. We're just looking at the same, like, there's like, what, 5, 6 templates here. So I guess, like, this one might be the most square right here. Okay. And you can't just click on one, apparently. It has to be set on that. So I'll go ahead and choose that template. And okay, that might fit in that square post feed a little bit better. These will all work great for stories, but this one will work better for post. Or if you want to put it into Reels, these look like they should work pretty well in Reels too. Alrighty, that's it. You guys have any questions, post them in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer as much as I can. And with that, have a fantastic and kick-ass new year. Okay, Pickle Peeps? Okay, Social Grammars? Have a kick-ass new year. I will see you in 2021. Bye!